Welcome to another episode on our channel. Well, whenever you see an episode that begins with me saying those words, that usually means that there's going to be a delay in production. And you would be right. There is going to be a slight delay in production. Uh, Historically, this time of year, second week of June or so, things get very, very, very busy for my wife. And on top of that, we had water damage here at the house. I just finished hanging the drywall today. We got dust in the air in spite of scrubbers and HEPA filters, and I'm just not crazy about running production gear and computers and whatnot with drywall particles floating in the air. So we're going to take a day off, possibly two, but likely just today. So with that, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Probably not, but we will be back probably tomorrow. So, in the meantime, everyone, have a great day.